Today we're going to be going through some crafts that are going to be used from repurposed items from Christmas clearance. So the first Christmas clearance item is the Noel signs. They have a house shape, and these are at the at-home store because they're 90% off currently. They're only 89 cents each. And I'm going to pick a word, something that fits in with just a home feel or farmhouse decor. And I'm going to use these letters that I found at Walmart. They're stickers and they were on clearance for $2.90. And I'm just going to remove the butterflies, paint over the Noel, and then choose what letters I'd like to use. Put those on the side that will not have the screw hole and paint over that, remove the letters, and it's that easy. Now you can do this technique, of course, with anything that you have around. I know right now there are a lot of people that are at home ordered from this COVID virus stuff, so you're kind of trying to eat up time with what you have. So you can cut these out very easily of wood. You can just use wood blocks, pretty much anything again that you have around the house. If you don't have the sticker letters, you can use stencils, or you can make your own stencils by printing them out from the internet. Alright, so I've got the back sides painted white. I'm just going to turn these over and line up my letters. I think I'm going to, since I have 4 of them, just do the word home. To place my letters, I've got my ruler here, and I want them to be centered up. You're centering up your letters. Get your house lined up with a straight edge. In this case, I'm going to use my desk edge. Put this right here. Mill's pretty much right about here. I'm going to press my letter down. That's my H, and I like that placement a lot better. Just going to make sure my edges are down really good so that I don't have, so I have nice crisp lines for my edges. And then I'm going to line up my next little house here. This is going to be my O. I'm going to line my ruler up with the straight edge of the first house and make sure that my tops of my letters are all lined up. And you're just going to continue to do that with all of the houses. And once you have the letters placed the way that you'd like them, just like this, you're just going to take your paint and just paint right over the letters. And then once everything is painted, you'll remove the letters. Now for that, I've got these little tweezers to help out. And I'm just using a little foam brush here. I don't really care about it being perfect. Gives it more of a shabby chic kind of look. And you can do this either completely white, or you can leave it a little bit distressed like I have. Alright, so I've got all of my letters distressed, so as you can see now I'm taking the tweezers and lifting the letters off. Alright, so here's each individual letter done. I left the edges the wood just to give it some contrast, and within half an hour to an hour these will be completely dry since it's direct to wood. You can do as much paint or as little as you'd like. Since I do like go the more shabby chic look, I just have the one coat with some bleed through, especially since I'm leaving the wood. And on the back, I just do a good one coat as well. I hope you guys like this little craft. Alright, so I just wanted to add, for those of you who like to use everything when you're repurposing, this little butterfly that's on here, I just screwed it on. It's really soft wood. So I just screwed it right in with a screwdriver. So if you guys want to add that finishing touch, you definitely can. It's all about what you like and making it your own.